Good morning, children. Welcome to the revision class. So, student, today we'll again discuss the IP address. IP address that you are knowing, it is a unique numeric identifier used for specific computer and networks. If your computer is having the IP address, so it is easy to find out your computer content, and it is easy to go globalized with the help of this internet connection. So it is having technically IP number 32-bit address that consists of four set. Four set means 0 to 0, and in between 0 and 255 the value it is given here. For example, 198.41.0.25, this is the IP address of any computer. Like this, the IP address they are defining. Because the internet is based on IP address, not domain names, every web browser required to domain name system DNS server to translate domain name into IP address. Means it is having the IP address, so it is not required for domain name also. Then come to the email address. Email address you have to register in any website. Website means that www.gmail.com or www.yahoo.com or www.rediffmail.com. These are the website, and there you have to register your name means you have, if you want to make any website that your email ID, so you can make. And this here some rules are there. An email address identifies an electronic post office box on the internet where email can be sent. An example of email address is spn5896@gmail.com. So email address means it is a post office, electronic post office box on the internet where an email can be sent. Nowadays you are using the WhatsApp. Nowadays you are using WhatsApp, and you have friends here, and you are messaging your friends to your friends number, WhatsApp number, and you will be getting the response of your message also, and you will be getting your in your WhatsApp number that your family members, friends, colleagues or teachers, nowadays teachers were sending the message also for you. So these are all did with the done with the help of number. So here in electronic electronic mailing, we have to make one email ID. It is free of register to do any website. And then if anyone wants to send a mail to you, then they have to they have to write your email address, and there a content box is there. The content box you have to write the matter which you want to send to your friend, or any attachment if you want to give. The attachment means any video, any pictures, or any document. The attachment site is also sign is also there in your WhatsApp message or in your WhatsApp messenger app also. Attachment that you are knowing while writing the message, that text box, near the text box, one pin sign is also given there. This pin sign is a attachment sign. Like this we are having in this email also. So every email address has two parts separated by @symbol. The part before the symbol, local path, is the username of the recipient. So is given there below. Before the before your email address should be there, means your username. And the username can include uppercase, lowercase, English letter, digit 0 to 9, characters. This all you have to use if you want to use in your email address, so you can use. The part of the symbol includes the name of the email service hosting site. Some popular email service hosting sites are www.gmail.com, yahoo.com, hotmail.com. These are the hosting sites where you have to register your email address. Then come to the download and upload. Download means you are knowing, means if you are downloading file transferring from the remote system into your hard disk. Means suppose you want to download some PDF files or some document from the internet that you had searched, that you want that PDF file or some video if you want, then you have to do the download. Download means that download comes to the remote system and saved in the hard disk. And then, for example, where the person visits the website, it is he is downloading site pages on his computer. So uploading is just the opposite of downloading. For example, a software company may upload a demonstration of its new software onto the web so that the user can then download the software onto their individual computers. So here, if you want to upload, means if you had make some video or some software you had make, and if you want to upload the means if you want to save or upload your video, so you can upload. So this is the uploading and downloading. Then come to the modem. Modem is a blend of modular and demodular. The computer being an electronic machine stored data in digital format. Telephone wire transferred data in the form of sound waves, which is analog data. The modem converts digital data into analog data so for it can be sent through telephone lines. At the receiving computer, which has a modem, the reverse process takes place. So modem means it is a blend of modular and demodular. Means the digital the is it converts the digital data into analog data and sent through the telephone lines. And this modem we are using for connecting our computer into internet. Then come to the ISP, Internet Service Provider. An Internet Service Provider, ISP, is a company that provides access to the internet. ISP directly connect customer to the internet using copper wires, then wireless or fiber optic connections. In India, Airtel, BSNL, MTNL, Vodafone are some popular ISP companies. Means there you that company provide the internet. Nowadays you are using Airtel and all Airtel, BSNL, Vodafone, Idea, then that all you are using nowadays for internet connection. This is the ISP, Internet Service Provider. Then come to the chat side. Chat side you are knowing how to chat with your friend, means you are sending the messages to your friend and receiving the messages, videos, audio, exchange chat. These are the chat sites. And here it is given some popular online sites are there, that Google Hangouts, Skype, Snapchat, WhatsApp. These are the some popular online site or apps which we are chatting with your friends. Then blogs. Blogs means a blog, also less frequent weblog. It is a digital diary or online journal. A typical blog combines text, images, videos and links or other pages for web. Blogs means what? That blog, if you want to share your views, your ideas, your hobbies to other people, to the users or to the other your relatives, your friends, your colleagues, then you can register one blog, and that blog you have to post your views, post your hobbies, what you want to post there, and then you have to send the link to your friends and your colleagues or relatives. These are the blogs. Then podcast. A podcast is a series of digital or audio files to say that new episodes are automatically downloaded to his computer or smartphones. User can subscribe a podcast. You can create your own postcard by using the postcarding website such as www.podbean.com or use any podcasting app from the Google Play Store. That podcast you are knowing, this is the series of digital or audio files that the if that new episode are automatically downloaded with the help of this podcast. Then come to the news group. News group means it is given here the website name. A news group is an online discussion forum about this specific topic. You can browse news group and post a reply to topics using the newsreader program. News group may be either moderated or unmoderated. In a moderated news group, a moderator must approve posts in order to them because a part of discussion. And in an unmoderated group, everything posted include in the discussion. So some news group may also use boards, moderate and contents automatically eliminating posts that are deemed offensive or off topic. Means it is a online discussion of news group And any discussion, any group, if you want to add there, join there, you can join, and then you can read the post and you can give the reply of that particular post. And it is having the two parts. One is having a moderated group, and another one is the moderated group or unmoderated group. It is having one. In a moderated group, moderator must approve the first your order become part of discussion, and then you are able to post. Then next class will discuss the internet protocol. Thank you.